mighty crushing tail, expert shallow predator, acrobatic airborne force, sheer brute force, intelligence, agility. This is the killer whale, nature's ultimate predator. But what you've just seen is only a glimpse of its incredible abilities. In this video, we'll take you on a deep dive into what makes the killer whale a true apex predator. Killer whales, or orcas, are some of the coolest animals in the ocean. You've probably seen their sleek black and white bodies in documentaries. But there's so much more to these incredible creatures than meets the eye. For starters, killer whales are everywhere. You can find them in every ocean on the planet, from the icy waters of Antarctica to tropical coastlines. They're total globetrotters, thriving in all kinds of environments. And here's a fun fact, they're actually part of the dolphin family. In fact, they're the largest members of it. They live in family groups called pods, and these pods aren't just random gatherings. They're super tight-knit, like little underwater communities. Each pod even has its own dialect, a unique set of sounds they use to communicate. It's like each family has its own language. And let's not forget how versatile they are. Whether they're gliding through the icy Arctic waters or cruising along tropical shores, killer whales adapt to whatever comes their way. They're incredible swimmers too, covering huge distances every day, and making it all look effortless. With such impressive abilities, it's no wonder that killer whales dominate the food chain. They have virtually no natural predators, aside from occasional confrontations with larger or rival pods. They reign supreme. Their fearlessness extends to other apex predators, like great white sharks, who often vacate an area when orcas show up. This fear factor comes from their reputation as intelligent, strategic hunters that never miss their target. Speaking of hunting, killer whales are the ultimate generalists when it comes to food. Their diet is as varied as their habitats, ranging from fish, squid, and penguins to seals, dolphins, and even massive whales. Some pods specialize in certain prey, like stingrays or great white sharks. But enough with general introductions. We are here to talk about what causes even the scary great white sharks to flee when they sense an orca nearby. Orcas' strength and stamina are unparalleled in the marine world. They are capable of diving up to 1,000 feet, or as tall as the Eiffel Tower, and holding their breath for an impressive 15 minutes, allowing them to pursue prey even in the deep, shadowy corners of the ocean. Their endurance is equally remarkable, enabling them to chase swift prey for extended periods without tiring. This combination of strength and stamina is a key factor in their success as hunters. With speeds reaching up to 34.5 miles per hour, 56 kilometers an hour, orcas are among the fastest marine predators, allowing them to outpace almost any prey. Add to this their powerful jaws and interlocking teeth, which can crush through flesh and bone effortlessly, and it's clear why they're such formidable hunters. But their adaptations don't stop at brute force. Orcas have a sophisticated echolocation system that acts like an underwater sonar, enabling them to detect prey even in murky waters or at great depths. This sense is so precise that they can distinguish between different species of fish or pinpoint a single seal hiding among the ice. And let's not forget their unique camouflage. The iconic black and white coloration isn't just for show. When viewed from above, their dark backs blend seamlessly with the ocean depths. From below, their white undersides match the sunlit surface, rendering them nearly invisible to prey. These adaptations work together to make killer whales the ultimate apex predators. Second, let's talk about their intelligence. These animals are smart, like really smart. Picture this. A group of seals is huddled on a chunk of floating ice, thinking they're safe. The killer whales swim together, creating waves that rock the ice until the seals slide right into the water and right into the jaws of their next meal. It's real-life teamwork and strategy at its finest. They're not just winging it, these whales know what they're doing. Remember how we mentioned earlier that orcas live in these super tight-knit family groups called pods? Killer whales share knowledge within these pods. They pass down hunting techniques and survival strategies through generations. This is called cultural knowledge, and it's rare in the animal kingdom. For example, in some pods, older whales teach younger ones how to catch specific prey, like stingrays. You see, stingrays aren't exactly an easy meal. These slippery creatures are equipped with venomous barbs on their tails, making them dangerous for an inexperienced hunter. But killer whales have developed a special technique to handle them. The older orcas carefully demonstrate how to flip stingrays upside down, putting them into a state called tonic immobility. When the stingray is incapacitated, it's much safer and easier to eat. Killer whales have an impressive arsenal of hunting techniques that they've honed over generations, showcasing both their intelligence and adaptability. Orcas have been known to take their hunting to the shore, in a daring technique called beach rushing. Imagine these powerful creatures surging onto sandy beaches to catch seals. It's a high-stakes move because the orcas temporarily strand themselves in the process. However, their strength and agility allow them to wiggle back into the water once they've secured their meal. This method is as bold as it is effective, showcasing their willingness to take risks for a successful hunt. When fish are on the menu, orcas demonstrate a whole different level of finesse. They use bubble netting, a clever tactic where they blow streams of bubbles to herd fish into tight, disoriented groups. Once the fish are trapped, the orcas swoop in, picking them off with remarkable efficiency. It's like watching an underwater symphony of strategy and execution. Then there's carousel feeding, another fish-focused strategy. Here, orcas use their powerful tails to deliver thunderous slaps to the water, stunning their prey and forcing them into tight schools. The sheer force of these tail slaps can even knock seabirds off balance if they're too close to the action. It's a brilliant display of raw power combined with calculated precision. Orcas are also unafraid to take on formidable opponents, like sharks. In an extraordinary display of tactical thinking, they've mastered the art of shark turning. By flipping sharks onto their backs, they induce a state called tonic immobility, which leaves the shark completely paralyzed. This move not only neutralizes the shark's defenses, but also ensures a safe and easy meal for the pod. It's a testament to the orca's ability to outwit even the ocean's most feared predators. When dealing with groups of seals or sea lions, orcas employ a strategy that can only be described as controlled chaos. By charging into a resting group, they create a panic that scatters the prey in all directions. In the ensuing confusion, the orcas isolate and target individual seals, turning the group's fear to their advantage. It's a psychological tactic as much as a physical one, demonstrating their ability to exploit the behavior of their prey. For larger prey, like whales, orcas rely on teamwork and endurance. They work together in pods to exhaust their target, taking turns biting at flippers, tails, or even blowholes. This relentless strategy eventually wears down the whale, showcasing the orca's incredible stamina and collaborative hunting skills. It's a dramatic and awe-inspiring display of their dominance in the marine world. Orcas don't just rely on brute strength and teamwork, they also use their intelligence to scout for prey. Spy hopping, a behavior where they lift their heads out of the water, allows them to spot seals on ice floes or birds perched above the surface. It's a simple yet effective way to plan their next move with precision. And finally, in one of their most calculated tactics, orcas target whale calves. By separating the calves from their mothers, they prevent them from surfacing for air. This strategy often involves prolonged chases and coordinated attacks, highlighting the orca's persistence and strategic planning. It's a somber but striking example of their role as apex predators. If you've made it this far into the video, it means you're just as fascinated by these incredible creatures as we are. So, why not show your support? Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to join us for more amazing deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.